I say money ain't a thing, I keep my stacks up. I guess you could say a nigga racked up. I make money off of niggas that they cracked up. My boy gave me the keys, told me bring it back. I shook them all on the store and brought them right back. I started from the top and I ain't fell off. I guess what I'm saying is I'm a boss. Pay the cost to be like me, then can you stand a loss? If a nigga owes you money, would you break his ass off? All I'm trying to say is nigga, keep it real. I've been serving from the Villa Park all the way to Edge. And the motherfucking South sold up to the motherfucking white folks. Show their ass so they bought a nigga out of house in his home. Now I gotta pack my shit up and gallery zone. Nigga started off with a whole thing. I'm throwing money in the air, hollering out money train. Boy, I started off with a whole thing. I'm throwing money in the air, hollering out money train. Nigga started off with a whole thing. I'm throwing money in the air, hollering out money train. Boy, I started off with a whole thing. I'm throwing money in the air, hollering out money train. I move right down the street across the tracks. I'm close to JC and I don't know how to act. Yeah, nigga over there stay strapped. And the police nigga circle just like that. We don't give a fuck about the fucking crime. Niggas tryna make money at the drop of a dime. Niggas out here good get spilled. If you shout with the money, then you might get killed. Niggas round here make you face the facts. They do everything in your face and never hang your back. All I'm tryna say is shit gets real. Nigga grind like it shine, nigga try to pay your bills. Started off with a whole fucking thing. I'm throwing money in the air, hollering out money, trying to start it off with a whole fucking thing. I'm throwing money in the air, hollering out money, trying to start it off with a fucking whole thing. I'm throwing money in the air, hollering out money, trying to start it off with a fucking whole thing. I'm throwing money in the air, hollering out money train. Got me piece, get off me. Man, I got me piece, get off me. Man, I'm saying piece, get off me. Man, I got me piece, get off me. Got me hollering out piece, get off me. Man, I'm saying piece, get off me. They got me hollering out piece, get off me. They got me saying piece, get off me. Piece, get off me. I miss my motherfucking city bus. Then they got me riding the train with some did it folks. Niggas wearing trenches, bitches wearing dresses. I'm dressing something fly, nigga, than Elvis Presley. I stand out like I really don't belong here. And the women love the smell of my cologne here. I got money, man, and there's some money train. If it is, tell the driver ring the bell, man. Now we gon' chicka, lay your chicka tracks. Blow the horn for 'em, those are some money tracks. Blow the horn for 'em, those are some money tracks. Blow the horn.